Hello, everyone, and welcome back for the post-market session. Let's straight dive into the S&P 500. We had a little bit of sell-off in a daytime, and the reason for the sell-off, it was 30-minute. We were looking for the wave 4 correction. So this was expected, and that's why in the morning I mentioned that we should close all our green position and go cash in hand. So if you look at here, 30-minute, this was the wave 4. Wave number 1, this sideline was 2, this was 3, all the way here, A, B, and C of like 1 to 3, 3 inside the 3, and this is the 4, and now we are in the wave 5. So what we are looking at, we are still holding the trend line at this trend line, right, coming here from the lower point to the lower high, and high low, and continuing to this point. We are the third touch. I'm bullish on the stock market. I'm looking again one more push up into the volume burst area. So most likely tomorrow, since we are selling off at the market close, and if I show you the institution side, institution went on the sell side. So mostly the buy the market closed on the green side. So why the market is green and institution are selling red? Because this buy is totally belongs to the retail investor. So that's why the market was green. This is all retail investor buy in this area. The today's session. So if retail investor is buying, retail investor cannot sustain the market. So what will probably be the plan here? The market will push one more leg up, closing the gap in a 550 area. Let's go to the daily time frame and you'll understand. So right here, if you look at, so this is where the market is trying to push. And if you look at these particular block order happened just now in the last 30 minutes of the market. So someone is selling block order below the bid 585, which is SPX represent to the SPY, almost equal. So 585 put, 585, 570 put, 585 means institution is selling the put. In the money put means institution are collecting the money. So they are expecting the market to go up, so they will make money off these puts. And these are the block order. So it represents the institution trade. So let's move forward. So market is still bullish. We are not looking for a sharp drop here. We are back in the channel. We are looking, this is where we are heading into this area. This we need to climb back. So I'll highlight the area for you on the daily chart. This is what I'm looking at. This is the area where the price need to come and then trade sideline to give us the direction, whether it will continue the momentum towards 581 or it will have another pullback before the market go up, which probably on daily chart can become the wave 2. So this is wave number 1 all the way here. If I can draw the line. So this is wave 1. And then possibly in this area, we'll see a retracement here before the market will continue upside like this. So we'll see in this 558 area, that's where the pending gap is. So 558, anything from 547 and above, we'll see when we see the bearish divergence. And we also look at the 200 EMA right here. So most likely the rejection will happen right here. Test the 200 EMA from the bottom right here in this area. So that's 566, 560 area. So this is where 558 gap filled and the market have a rejection from the 200 EMA and market will pull back. So this is the area we are targeting now. So till then, we are bullish on the market. We have a little bit pullback right now on 30-minute time frame. Most likely 10:30 tomorrow morning. 10:30 the price will drop, come back to 533 area right here. This POC, point of control line, and then continue the momentum upward to 544. So this week, anywhere from 530 upside 558. This is the range we are looking to trade. So this is the area that we are looking to trade this week. So if it goes to 558, most likely we'll be adding some put on the, we'll be going covered 100% and adding some protective put in this area as soon as we have 558 area retested. Moving forward, we are looking on the Tesla. Overall, the stock is bullish, but there will be a rejection in this area, most likely 255, and then pull back again because we are in a downtrend. If you look at from here, there was a run and then down. But the good thing about the downtrend, if you look at the overall, this entire area, this one. So what we are looking at, the price went up from here. This went up and then it pulled back. So if you look at carefully, you will see a pennant pattern in this area right here, this and this one. So this is bullish pennant on the Tesla. So price is squeezing in this area and it will continue for another 1 or 2 days. So it's squeezing between 245 to 253. So the price will, if you look at the wave, this was the bigger wave, the demand, then the supply is shorter, then demand shorter. So it's squeezing in the pennant. So most likely next couple of days right here, we'll see a breakout. It should give us a bullish breakout because the pennant is, the base is bullish. The price has went up and then come down. So we're looking for a bullish breakout from 245 area in next couple of days. So next 2 to 3 days, we are looking for sideline and then a major breakout on this one. We'll see. Since the price is about 200 EMA and it's a bullish pennant, so most likely there will be a bullish breakout, which I have been mentioning in the last couple of days, that before the earning comes, they will pump the stock, and right at the earning, because the number will be bad, and they will dump right after the earning. So this is the trade here. Right before the earning, will be going covered on Tesla share and as well as on the TSLA, both the trade we are holding. So make sure we are not exposed to the earning this time. This particular quarter is very, very important for Tesla. Moving forward to the WIX, WIX is dropping continuously. We have this resistance line coming here, the red line coming here from the higher point to the lower high and continue. So if you look at on a higher time frame, you will see this where this trend line is coming from. This trend line. This is the SR interchange. So this is where it's looking to drop, right in this area. 21, below 21 to anywhere in the 1798 area. So WIX will keep dropping, and that's what make the S&P 500 to hit the 580 to 581 or 570 area. And right once the WIX dip in this area, the WIX will start the next wave of bullish, and the market will pull back. Possible a sharp decline in the S&P 500, like 5-7% drop. So we are bullish as long as the WIX is dropping. On a 30-minute time frame for this particular week, we are looking at a drop on the WIX, continuous drop right here. Come to this area. This is where the trend line on the smaller time frame is 21 area. Right now it's trading at 25. So WIX should drop to 21 area before taking any reversal, and that's where S&P 500 will have a pullback. Three stock which are getting attention today on the block order. A lot of calls has been purchased for. I'll pull the screenshot for you. Give me a second. It's on CCL. There's a lot of bullish trade happening back to back. And then we have a lot of attention on the Tesla before the earning. And the third stock we had, let me just pull up the list. Give me a second here. So, okay, three stock those are getting attention on the institution side is Amazon, Tesla, and CCL. If I show you the screenshot of CCL, I'll bring it down here. So go to CCL. This is what the institution is doing here. So they are particularly interested in October 17. They are buying the call, all our sweep order and the split order. So there are a lot of mix order. When the sweep order happens, means it could also be the retail investor. Like there are a lot of open interest, and suddenly all the order are taken. So $16 call, 17 October for SoFi. This is very interesting trade. All are marked as bullish. It's a very super bullish. So even if it hit $16 price target, now it's trading at $10. So we are looking about 60% upside until October. So this is what we are looking at, and that's why we have a long position on SoFi. Oh, this was SoFi. Sorry, let me open SoFi. CCL, I did not save the screenshot. Okay, here we go. SoFi. So right now it's trading at 1072, and we are looking for $16 call, which I just showed you. So that's the price target. On a daily chart, we are also looking at some key reference point like 1399, which is the Fibonacci level of the reversal of this point. And once the price comes to 1399, this will be about 200 EM and stock will be bullish. Downside, we doesn't have a lot of area left here. The worst case, this is what it could fall to. That's it. And if it will fall sharply because there is no volume in this area. It will come down and then have a V-shaped recovery and gone upside. That's it. Most likely it won't fall because now we have a 9 EMA, which is bullish. If you look at this last particular candle, so we are bullish and then we are heading into Tima cross. So most likely $14 is the first price target that we are looking for. Second price target 18. The maximum upside on this stock is $20. We'll not be holding any position after $18. That's what we are looking to cut all our position. On SoFi, CCL had a lot of bullish transaction today from the institution side. So we'll also be looking to add a position tomorrow on CCL. Let's go to Bitcoin. Bitcoin again, a little bit of pullback, but still bullish. What we are looking at, as long as Bitcoin is holding $81,000 as a support line, we are bullish. Once we cross 81,000, then we are in a serious trouble, because once it drop 80,000, then there is no further support, because next time then it will take down this point. So as long as it's above $81,000, we are looking for 88, and the second price target we are looking for 92,000. This area, this point, that's where it all started. If you look at, this is the area we are looking at. This is the area we are looking at. So 88, first price target right here. Take this point, which is the previous high point, break of structure in this area, and then cross, retest like this. I'll give you what should be the trading here. So if this is something, should be the pattern right here, and then continue upward into $92,000. This is how Bitcoin to behave. This is how the buying should go on for the institution to follow. So 92 area is very, very crucial for us, because that's where we are looking at. Because if $88,000 is our zero Fibonacci level, which is right coming from this area, which was ellipse here, and if it breaks, if there needs to be a bull trap, it has to be above $88,000. This is the area where the bull trap will happen. It cannot happen here because everybody is bearish. There is a super bearish sentiment in the market, and fear index is high. So market will not sell off in this area. If market need to sell, it will sell in this area, right when the FOMO started, above $88,000. Because once the price cross $88,000, people will start looking, oh, we are going back to $100,000 or 120 or whatever. So right here, they will trap right in this area, 92, 95, anything above 90 plus minus $2,000, $3,000. This is the area of bull trap. So any question you can put in the comment. We are bullish tomorrow, 10:30. We are looking for the pullback. Particularly, I'm interested on SPY tomorrow. I'll give you a quick glance once again. If it pull back tomorrow, right in this area, 533, this area, POC line, or touches this one, 200 EMA, and there is a bullish divergence right here, will go at the money call for the long right away. So this particular candle is bearish, so the price is dropping. Overnight, late afternoon, the price will drop, because this is the indication the price is dropping. And if you look at, there is a needed volume area left, this point. So this is first lower high on the smaller time frame, like this. So there is a possibility of price dropping a little bit here, a little bit of pullback, and then continuing the upward to fill the gap at 558. So tomorrow, 10:30, watch this price to hit 528, 530 area. Anything below 533, this zone is a buy area. Buy long position at the money for 60 days. This is the buy area, and this is what we are looking to close our trade in this area. So between these two box is our trading range. So keep an eye, close eye. Hood, I want to go through because that's our trade. Our short put is green on this one. We are still bullish. If I go to daily chart, you'll have more clarity. So we have a lot of run upside. 49.88 is our price target. That's when we are looking to close our target, our trade. So it will take this point. I'll also draw the trend line for you. So one trend line is coming right from here. So we have crossed this. So we are bullish in a zone. Second trend line is coming from here. That's it. So this also makes a bull flag. If you look carefully, this is the pole and this is the flag. So we had a breakout on this one. So this is the breakout. Little bit of retest and continue towards 49.88. This area will close all the trade, and anything above the volume burst will start shorting the call on Hood. Will not be buying put. Will be shorting calls, and most likely will go spread, like short the call for 50.52 and buy another one like 60 up in the further OTM. So this is the plan. Up to 49.88, we are holding Hood. That's where we'll be closing all our put, and we'll be closing the share as well in this area. So market is bullish overall on a shorter time frame. A little bit of pullback is normal. Tomorrow 10:30, if there is a little bit of pullback, we are okay to buy that. Today we have done a trade on Hood. We traded Amazon. We also traded. We're also looking for the next trade on Wix. So Wix, particularly, I'm interested in this area. 1790. This time we are not looking to trade Wix. We will go 2x leverage on the Wix. 79 area, once we touch this trend line or we fall in this area outside of the linear regression channel, and at 200 EMA right here, 200 moving average line right here. Once the price comes to this area, we are looking for UVIX, which is 2x of Wix, because right once the Wix come here, there will be a sharp shoot up and there will be hell of money to be made in this area. So from 17 to 30 area, there is a good trade coming up, possibly in maybe 1 or 2 weeks down the line. That's when I'm expecting the market to sell off, and Wix will continue drop, a little bit bullish momentum. And once Wix come here, then the market will drop and the Wix will shoot up. So we have to be ready. This time we don't want to miss the correction in the market. Make sure 580 area on the S&P 500, we have some put added to our portfolio as well as short call. So that's it for today. And thank you so much for tuning in. I'll be live tomorrow, 9 a.m. for the pre-market analysis, and we'll see how the overnight volume will play around. Thank you. Bye-bye.